Rumfold, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Rumfold. Rumfold. Hello everyone, it is Thursday, January 22. This is Carlo. Welcome to my vlog. This is the channel Okay. And yeah, I just woke up again. I shoot early in the morning, okay? But anyway, so for today's episode, we are going to talk about where you can buy Yeezys, Adidas Yeezy sneakers, of course, by Kanye West, for retail, if not lower than retail price today here in the Philippines. Excited? I am. Tara, let's go. Now, before we jump into it, guys, show this video some love by giving it a thumbs up. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of everything that you see. It really helps the channel out a lot if you do that. So if you've been following the vlog for a while now, you like the content that I'm putting out, one thing that you can do to help me out, like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share. The first shop is Commonwealth over at Greenbelt 5. So they had two Yeezys sitting on shelves. The first one is the Yeezy 380 Yekorite or Yeorite. I don't know how to pronounce it. Now that particular Yeezy, I initially thought that it wasn't so nice when I saw it in pictures, but when I held it in hand, it was actually pretty good. In fact, I was actually tempted to buy one and to bring it home, if not for two things. Number one, I felt that going through to size was just wasn't cutting it. They only had size 12. I think for the 380 specifically, okay ako sa size 12.5 or 13, either a half size or a full size up. Number two, after thinking about it a little bit more, I felt that, you know, from my experience in wearing like the 380s in the past, I really didn't like the overall feel of the shoe. Yes, it had a lot of cushioning. Yes, it was very comfortable, but there were two major issues. The first issue was that as a wide, flat-footed person, the amount of boost was just too much to the point where I would exaggerate my overpronation. So overall, I get foot fatigue. And number two, the entrance to the shoe was just a little bit too narrow. So if you have wide feet, you might have problems getting your feet into it and out of it fast. So in short, we passed on the Yeezy 380 Yekorite. But if you guys want one, it is still available. Pretty good size run from what I saw, sitting on shelves over at Commonwealth. And you can even check out the Adidas Philippines website. Now, the second Yeezy that was available, I actually have a pair with me right now. Of course, talking about the Yeezy Quantum Frozen Blue. Initially, I really loved the color. That's why I picked it up. So I bought this one, not from Commonwealth, but from another shop. I really like the shoe, from the comfort to the styling to the overall vibe. So this is a Yeezy that will remain in the collection together with my Yeezy 700 V2 Static. Now, apart from Commonwealth, the Adidas neighborhood shop over at Greenbelt, which is literally just a few steps away from Commonwealth, also had, I think, the 380 Yekorite, but it wasn't on display. So you will have to ask the cashier what sizes are available. Since we were already in Commonwealth, allow with me to just share with you guys some of the pairs that I found that were interesting. They had a couple of Y3 sneakers with boost that were available. There was like an Ultra Boost Y3 that looked really dope, black and white. I was actually going to buy it, but they didn't have it in my size, so too bad, but it was a really nice looking shoe. They also had the new Pharrell Human Made / Nigo collaboration with Adidas. So these are like solar boosts in different colors. One was like a funky teal, blue, and orange. The second one was some sort of green, and the third one was a more plain white and blue. They are on sale. You can probably get them for around 8,000 to 9,000 versus the usual price that they're selling it for over 10,000. They also had this ridiculously dope New Balance 920. Man, the colors of this one was just so insane, and I really wanted to get it. I really wanted to add it to my New Balance collection, but unfortunately, they didn't have it in my size. Sells for a little over 11,000. They also had a collab between Tokyo Design and New Balance for the 1300 silhouette. That one was also insanely fresh, and that one, timeless, will go with any outfit, but unfortunately, they didn't have it in my size. Now, apart from that, they had a couple of Air Force Ones. One had like the armor black rubber thing. They had the Pharrell Nigo slides that look pretty dope, and a bunch of Vans and Adidas Ultra Boosts. And for these, nothing that would really merit like a specific mention. But anyway, those are like the shoes that I found interesting over at Commonwealth. Now, if you guys want to drop by, if you're in the area, always make sure that you wear a face mask, face shield, always sanitize your hands, practice social distancing. At this point in the vlog, I'll share with you a third place where you can buy Yeezys, this time not for retail, but below SRP. Tara! the Project 721 steel cabinet. To those who don't know, we have like a steel cabinet over at Green Hills. That's a mall here in the Philippines, and we restock it every now and then of shoes that I've featured here on the channel that we don't need anymore. So we sell them at really low prices, and I'll share some of the shoes with you guys today. First up, we have the Yeezy 500 high. I think this is called like the Slate. Used once or twice, specifically for the vlog. I think I got this from Commonwealth at full price. We'll sell it for, I don't know, 9,000. So that's below SRP. So this one is more of the darker shade color of the Yeezy 500 high. So you have earth tones, you have blue, you have black. Let's just sell it for around 8 to 9,000. Again, on the steel cabinet. 500 soft vision in size 13. Let's sell it for like 8 to 9,000 as well. Now we also sell like sneakers for like 2 to 3,000 pesos each on the steel cabinet. So I'll just show you some of the sneakers that will be available this weekend. Adidas SL20 in like the limited edition gold and white color, size 13. We'll sell this for like 2,000 pesos. That's like $40. Crazy. This one is actually still brand new, so we might sell this a little bit higher. We can probably sell it for, I don't know, like 4,000 pesos. Not too sure yet. X9000 L3 level 3 in all black colorway. We can probably sell this for 3,000. This one is still actually brand new, but we'll probably sell it for 2,000. We're also throwing in a couple of Nike sneakers to the steel cabinet. This one is a Pegasus. I think this is like the Pegasus. What is this? Pegasus. Yeah, this is the Pegasus 37 in size 12. So if you are looking for a brand new running shoe that's barely used, size 12, we'll sell this maybe for like 4,000 pesos. This is called the Air Zoom BB Next in size 13. This one I think sold for almost 10,000 pesos. This one is still very clean. If you guys take a look at that, we'll sell this probably for like, I don't know, half the price, 5,000. So if ever you guys find yourselves in Green Hills over the weekend, check out the steel cabinet. It's over at Theater Mall. It's a staircase. You go up the staircase beside Starbucks, and we are at the collector's base. You can find us beside the cashier or the counter. You'll also find our merch brand, Project 721, over there. Buy a shirt, check out our steals. Yeah. Oh, diba? Okay yon. Steel cabinet. Check it out. Green Hills. Restock happening today. So if you drop by Friday, it should be there. Quick reminder, we are giving away a Koala smartwatch. The links can be found down below to that video. Watch it. The details can be there. But you have to subscribe. You have to like this video. You have to comment. And you have to watch that video. So, sali kayo. January 30 is the draw. Good luck. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.